When it comes to pipeline projects, one question always comes up first. Should we use ERW pipes or seamless pipes? And more importantly, where do the real cost differences come from? For the majority of pipe diameters, seamless pipes carry a higher production cost due to their complex forming process, higher raw material consumption, and longer overall manufacturing cycle. In contrast, ERW pipes benefit from continuous coil production, automated welding, and highly efficient forming, giving them a clear cost advantage in medium and large volume projects. But when we talk about cost, it's never only the price per ton. It's also about stability. ERW pipes offer more consistent wall thickness, uniform shape, and smoother internal surfaces, all of which reduce installation time and long-term maintenance costs. So if your project isn't dealing with very high pressure conditions, ERW pipes usually give you the same reliability but at a much more cost-effective price. This is why ERW pipes are emerging as the preferred balance between performance and cost in modern energy and engineering markets, allowing projects to gain reliability without compromising their budget.